I am on a mission. So about a week ago, the summer heat, my hormonal acne, and the excessive oils on my skin all came together and made a team effort to make my skin break out, and it hasn't looked like this in months. So for the past week, I've been focusing more on repairing my damaged skin barrier because clearly there was something wrong. I've been using TIRTIR's Milk Skin Toner Light and the Ceramic Milk Ampoule as a duo. Oh, jump scare. So this is day one. We have some red spots here and there. I'm using the light version of the Milk Skin Toner. There is a regular version, but I use a light one because I have oily skin, just whatever you prefer. So it has niacinamide and rice bran, which brightens the skin and also helps repair the skin barrier, just what I was looking for. And as the name may suggest, the light version is super lightweight, so it's perfect for the summer or if you have oily skin like me. And then I use the Milk Ampoule. You only really need one pump because the hydration is super intense. It's a 3-in-1 formula with oil, essence, and vegan milk complex, which will leave your skin literally glowing, radiant. It's just day 3, but I love that the redness is already going down. Day 6, and my skin is thriving. And this is how far we've come in just 1 week. I think it's safe to say that my skin has been doing so much better. It's moisturized, it's glowing, the acne scars are slowly fading away. So my skin has come this far now, which isn't perfect, but honestly, they're doing their thing, and I will continue using them for the time being.